I have found that life is only but an illusion. In all the years that I've been here, I realized this illusion can be changed. It's not important that you know that I'm a healer. You, and only you, have all the answers to make your dreams come true, to heal your body, and start enjoying life, creating the reality that you want to create. And the only way that you're going to do this is to get out of the hell that you created for yourself. I'm Bobby Running Fox, and I welcome you to the Toolbox.